Hey honeycrunchers, it's me Jham, and for today, I'll be reviewing BornPrettyStore's Clear Stamper with rainbow handle. As you can see, the handle has a multi-chrome finish and it shifts its color depending on the light. Now let's try it. I'm using a black regular nail polish for today. Look at how good it picked up the image. Now let's stamp it onto my nail. And after that, I did the cleanup and I also applied top coat. Now here are my nails. The rainbow handle, or shall I say the multi-chrome handle, is very beautiful. I'm loving that it changes its color depending on the light you have. It also has a very squishy and sticky clear stamper that's very easy to use. If you want to check out this product, the link is available on the description box below. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!